Hi, I am Mohammad Anas. I am the founder and CEO of Inord, India's first AI honest drone tech startup. At Inord, we are designing and developing drones that have AI pilot system. Our vision is to create ease in the drone industry by building drones that can enable flights in GPS denied environment. We are working in drone industry for last 3 years. I have started my journey very early in second year of my college, and I have taken an early mover advantage by jumping into entrepreneurship. The decision of coming into entrepreneurship is more of a gut feeling, less of a statics based decision. So I feel like I should try my skills and my creativity into this domain. The reason I am into drone based startup, and it is full of risk and critical challenges that every day we have to overcome. So it is a lifestyle, not a profession to opt. So it's a lifestyle to live and build your journey around. So this is what I have learned in my startup journeys, and I would like to recommend to all the aspiring entrepreneurs or budding entrepreneurs to listen to your gut and give it a try. So there is no stats, nothing like that. Get into it, learn. If you feel like you are fitting in, you can continue. If you don't feel like you are fitting in, you can be a part of any startup and be a CPO, technical advisor, or anything. So you can fit in to other way around. The startup is a very good ecosystem to work in. Thank you.